Eric Muathe, Muathe.com, with a follow-up on AMD. Now we start the week here. It is March 20th, 2017, and we can see that for the week it is doing its best to break out above the recent weekly closing high at 1214 actually 0.12. Now I'm doing my best to do a follow-up on the exit strategy for this one. One thing is for sure, as long as the stock is holding above the previous weekly closing high, as long as the weekly RSI is back above 69.1, we have to respect the potential for upside. Having said that, one thing we can watch for here is a failure to hold above this level means the stock is back on the sell list. Let's take a look at the monthly. The monthly here continues to be above 69.1, which is a sign of strength. We take a look at this double top formation on the monthly chart, which I mentioned in a previous video. Seems like it could be a trap for the stock. The key here is on the daily. We can see that the stock's been coming back to bounce on RSI 50 for this most recent pullbacks and reversals. Now my main reasoning here again goes back to the hourly chart, and I think the stock, the last time I recommended it as a short was here. It's come back to test the same level but with the same type of topside resistance, and it's a simple line connecting RSI highs like that. So we are hitting this level as of the last couple of hours after a nice 7 to 6% gain for the day. And we can also see that this was the previous break line. So this RSI break gives us this warning high here, and we can draw a line from there. Should be something like that. So we've hit this line once before for a shallow pullback with uniform activity below, above the blue line, back above it for the top. We came close here for this high. We tagged this, which was the last time I gave this as a short, and now we are coming to tag the same level. At this rate, I would assume that this is where it starts stalling. Again, those two lines on the hourly, let's take a look at, we got the uniformity resistance line coming in play right now. And also we got topside potential resistance, given that it is coming to test that line also. So we just draw it connecting the tops. And another reason why here again the stock looks like, in my opinion, could be a sell candidate. And don't forget, the main reason is I've been using that TZA chart on the monthly. As long as the monthly continues to be giving us that down month, and let's expand this, take a look at this from a longer term monthly view. And here we have all monthly data for the TZA chart. I still maintain the view that as long as we are coming back to test that uniformity resistance line we've been watching, so I've been drawing it something like this. We break here in 2014, which was a warning high. We rally back, but the RSI does not make a new high, and we've struggled to move above that in 2015 here, which is the highs right there. And now we are coming to tag this. So the more we are down for the month, the more I start suspecting that this could become a major sell signal. If the small cap technology ETF is giving us a short-term sell signal, maybe even a major sell signal, then of course we start looking for any visual signs that AMD could be struggling. So again, I go back to that AMD chart, and we got those two lines that, again, in my opinion, we take advantage of this, and we also take advantage of this line. So as long as that's the case, I'm gonna reiterate my thinking here that AMD is an exit strategy. Stock at current levels, trading at about 1440. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. EACS.